Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're using Microsoft Excel and you are interested to become very fast in using Excel, when I say fast, I mean this fast, selecting this 5,614 record quick as this, or for example, adding columns, deleting columns, adding rows quickly, deleting rows quickly, changing this date as quick as that, or for example, converting the date to numbers, or removing the grid lines, or adding the grid lines back, or adding filter, or removing filter. Well, I have good news for you. Make sure to watch the playlist on the description below. I have 3 videos, relatively short videos, where I will teach you how to use these powerful shortcuts. So thank you so much for watching and good luck.